Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering the geospatial pieces you will actually import. Install UE5 and enable Datasmith and Cesium for Unreal so you can stream or ingest tiles. Then open Google Earth Pro and export the area as KML/KMZ or capture high-resolution orthophotos, making sure you keep coordinate metadata. Once exported, run GDAL or QGIS to reproject and convert that imagery to GeoTIFF and generate a DEM height map. This gives you the two core assets, texture and elevation. Next, you convert and prep assets for Unreal's pipeline. Reproject your GeoTIFF and DEM into the engine-friendly grid and export the DEM as a 16-bit height map to preserve elevation detail. This prevents scaling errors. Convert any 3D buildings or point clouds into optimized GLTF or FBX, decimating meshes to balance fidelity and performance. In UE5, import the height map into the Landscape tool. Create a landscape material that uses the orthophoto as an overlay, and align the textures so your imagery matches the elevation precisely. To finish, focus on scale, optimization, and lighting. Make sure the landscape transform matches the original coordinates. Set up Nanite or HLOD for large geometry and configure collision for gameplay. If you are streaming data, set the tileset origin and a fallback imagery source so textures load consistently, then bake light maps to lock in lighting. If things go wrong, check coordinate reference systems, pixel size, and origin offsets. Those three cause most mismatches. Lastly, iterate with a small test area to confirm the full workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.